Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh and we're going to talk about AYTU. Mr. Josh, man, Mr. Josh. Not quite a lot of movement from expected this week. So we had a huge little bit spike and then it came down. But I'm going to talk about more technical side later in the video. So stay tuned, guys, because this is a very, very key level, and I'm going to tell you why it's a very key level we are sitting in right now. So I'm going to talk about a news that came out also a couple days ago. AYTU's is a stock is up 11% prediction of what could be the next, right? So while browsing, a couple things caught my eye. I'm going to quickly go over with you guys, right? During the recent recession, AYTU traded shares 1.6 million with a better value of companies hitting minus 0.30. At the last check today, the stock's price was $5.52, reflecting the intraday gain of 3.9% or 0.21%. Sorry, 0.2 cents. The 52 high of AYTU share is $17 plus, puts down to the minus, 207.9 from the peak, still the striking at 11.96% gain since the price plummeted to the 52 low of 486. The company's market capitalization is 130 million 0.84. An average intraday volume over the past 10 days was 1.5 shares, an average volume of 750,000 shares over past 3 months, right? So that's pretty intense, like where we're sitting right now, right? So we're sitting, looks like we're sitting at 52 low, right? 52 low. That's and there's a key level, and which we're going to talk about later in the video on the very, very important on resistance and support. The buy rating the rating on the analysis is the sell rating is 0, analysts who logged into 0 stock recommended is oversold overnight, overweight is 0, right? And 3 recommend to buy, 0 is rated the stock underrated. The stock earning per share is current to be expected is minus 0.31. So this is very important. Like we came close to be on EPS of in positive side. We're not getting over that hump yet. I know Josh, the CEO of the company, is closed some deals and stuff for the merger, and this takes a lot of funds for that too. But we need to just definitely need to keep an eye on that on the next quarter earnings. The consensus target of Wall Street is $16.50. It says, which implies a 66.5% of the stock's current value. The forecast low is at $11 and expectedly and $24. AYS is trading at a discount of minus on a negative of 334.78%, which is target high, and 99.28% of low. So what they're looking at it is if this is like a buying opportunity right now, right, for Neo. So what else we're looking at it? Wow, that's some very good news that came out. Another one I want to talk about. The next largest institution holding is 1.3 shares of Amstead's Capital, which operating is 0.35% of outstanding shares. Market price of March 2021, value of 10.2 million. Right. So they're talking about a little of in the big funds for the holding for the on the shares, right? Intergenerational shares. So let's talk about some other key stuffs on the video. We know we are waiting for initial FDA for approval from the Healight service and published by shown on the UV therapy that made a safe and effective treatment on the severe for SR COVID infections, right? CDS, Sinus, and AYT are working in the FDA confirmed for the next steps of the technology advancement includes the comparison trial and possible EUA authorization, right? Solid progress has been made, right? So there's solid progress has been advancing the promising Healight technology and highly anticipated major of confirmation of neurotherapeutics expectation on March 18. Next step to help AYT's shock prior on the rational, right? We did that. We had that spike and came down on that. So just wanted the key value why the stock moved up. What we're looking at in the down to the road for the 6 to 12 months, right? So let's talk about technical analysis, right? If you go back to the 1 month chart, right? We were talking about the 1 month chart where we had this spike, came back, pulled back, these came out, and we pulled back and we're testing it, right? So, folks, this is very important because I am not going at 4.8. 4.86 was a 52 low, right? And we are sitting very, very close to it. We are not there. We are sitting very close to it, right? We are still trading our moving averages on a 1 year a day chart on that, right? We are still trading on our moving averages, right? And if we go back and look at all this, I will kind of go in the 6 months, right? I'm going to go quickly on the 6 month chart so you guys can see what are the key levels we definitely need to keep an eye. Is where we touched it at 4.86. Now we set a spike up, we'll pull back again, right? But the good thing, one thing kind of caught my eye was we are really about to break our 60-day moving average, right? And RSI looks good, right? MACD, not so great, right? Not high buying pressure. We have a volume of 1.98 million. My days of AYT, we are expecting over like 25 million per day. Granted, the volume has died down, right? Volume predicts price. So it has died down too. But we are a little bit from the 52-day low. On my chart, you'll see there's the graph on this one. It's still moving a vertical uptrend, a little bit of vertical on that, but not a quite massive movement. Like when we came back at 485 and we touched it and we were creating some high highs, and then we shoot to the $8, massive pullback, right? And another spike at $6, then we pull back and stuff. So what I'm looking is so kind of help you guys to look at the chart. It's an uptrend right now from the May 25th, right? And that's what I'm looking at. Like we came over here, tested it, got rejected, tested it, got rejected. And this is where the buy is sitting. Right now we're $5.44. So buyers are technically waiting right now to look at if it falls below $5 and it comes to close of 485 or 493 area range in order to buy in to push in higher highs on that, right? Unfortunately, we might see the touch on that, right? But it's a healthy pullback in order to make a buy. Because once you look at it, we have a buy rating of 100%, right? This is the target, folks. We are actually $5.44. We're looking at $14.50, $19.75, and $24 range, right? Don't get disappointed. I just don't want you to get disappointed. Man, IUIT is not moving. What's going on? The companies are trash. If you feel like it, then do not invest on the money that you don't feel comfortable on it, right? That's my little bit of 2 cents if you want to trade on that. I know AYT have been trading for so long with this company. I have shares for a long time. I'm not worried about it. It has a plan for everything. So what I'm looking right now, we will see some days where we're gonna come to $7 and we're gonna have a pullback to create higher highs right now, right? That's all I have for you, folks. Because I just don't want you to guys be disappointed what's going on, right? We are heading to a right direction. Just buckle up. It's about to rip very soon, right? Into 6 to 12 months period, right? And where we'll be testing in this range, up to $10 range, right? This is where I am looking the stock to be sitting or coming closer to between $10 to $15 range, right, before making another higher highs. So, oh, folks, thank you for watching the video. Really appreciate you guys' support. So please do not forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and thank you supporting it, and leave a comment down below so I can answer any questions you have, how many shares you got, whatever information that you want to share with me and the group. Like, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe and have a good day.